Hi guys, today we will be dealing with USB shortages. So guys, if you have a Type-C port on your laptop or computer, you can just buy a Type-C splitter. But guys, if you don't have a Type-C port on your laptop or computer, you can just buy this type of splitter. But guys, don't buy this type of splitter. This splitter will not be able to power any of these devices. But guys, rather buy a powered splitter. This powered splitter doesn't just come with a USB cable, but it also comes with a power cable. This power cable can provide extra power for these devices to work. So guys, I've put some links to some power splitters in the description box below. So guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and bye guys.